Welcome back. It's hot. I had filmed some video of my painting of my dash pieces and all of the research involved with that, and when I shut the camera off, or when I stopped videoing and clicked stop, it wouldn't save because it was too hot out here. Right now the shop is at, so it's warm. Summer is really holding on this year. Don't know why. So stepping back outside because it's only 90 out here, 93 or 4. Anyway, so trying to paint the dash. Okay, so the pieces, the color on the inside of my dash is Bocara. I'll put the text on there. But you know this color if you have a Range Rover. I can't get this paint in the 48 on this side of the pond. So I thought about it and I thought about it and I thought, I don't care if it's that color. I just care if it's flat so it doesn't reflect back into the windshield. So I looked online and I found a camo paint from Duplicolor. And so far I like the color. It's camo brown. Flat camo brown. That piece is a little flaky. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Maybe I got too much powder on it or something, but it's not holding the paint. So you can see that it's not holding it. However, the dash did hold the paint when I painted the dash. So I'm going to wipe this down and see if I can get it to stick and try again, and hopefully that will work. There's the dash. There's the dash. All right. And brown. Something happening here and something happening right in here and here. But basically this is it. Camouflage Rust-Oleum adheres to plastic at any angle according to this. It's powdery, it's flat. I don't know, I love it. I'm happy with it actually. The bezel turned out really good. I think that's gonna be really good. So I've got all the rest of the pieces I need to paint. I'm gonna change that saddle to this brown as well. I gotta repair those pieces with some plastic glue too. That was my attempt with the Gorilla Glue product and my splints, but that didn't work out. So we'll have to try something else. As you can see, that didn't work out very well there. So we'll have to try something else. We also uncovered some more rust in the tailgate, tail bed. I'm not happy. That's not good. What might be worse is the underneath pieces are rusted too. So that holds on a channel. It's L-shaped under there, and that piece where that bed lays on top of it is rusted and probably in pretty bad shape from what I've banged around on with a chisel and a hammer. So I didn't want to do it, but I think I'm gonna have to cut. I'm gonna have to cut the bed out and pull the bed out and get another bed, or fix that bed and put it back. I think fixing that bed and putting it back is probably my option. Finding a donor truck, long wheelbase, full floorboard without a lot of trouble is going to be a nightmare. That'll be in another video. All right, back to some painting. Okay, got a lot of painting done. It's gotten hotter in here. Okay, keeping in mind this is a tin barn, so it's pretty hot. Okay, that's what it looks like finished. You can get a saddle. There's the saddle color from the bottom. I'm repairing this piece still, but you can see it. That looks pretty good to me. I do notice that the drier powdery surface coating is going to need something over it if I'm ever going to wipe it clean. I can only imagine driving down dirt roads in Oklahoma and it just, all the dust from everything just settling on that and it never coming off. So I'm going to be looking for a non-reflective matte finish. Not shiny. I don't know if that's even a thing, but we're going to find out. Clear coat to go over the top of this. Hopefully it won't be shiny. but we'll test it on a few pieces first. Got some more repairs going on for the center console piece. So went and got JB Weld. Why not? It's been legendary since I was a kid. People, oh, you got a hole in your header, just put some JB Weld on it. Well, yeah, that's pretty much how legendary it's been in our family and people around my town and stuff I've heard people say. I don't believe that. I know it's not temperature capable of doing that, but it will hold plastic together very well. So I'm going to go with that for a little bit. That's all I got for this week. Going to post that up, and more when I figure out whether or not I can clear coat the top of this and still keep it matte colored. More later. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it.